This video is a demo video for Walmart Canada integration for WooCommerce. In this panel, you will need to enter the API keys in order to connect Walmart seller account with Walmart Canada integration for WooCommerce. To get the API keys, log into the Walmart developer portal. Copy the API keys and paste in the input boxes provided in the configuration panel of the plugin. After filling the API details, update and then validate the API keys. Also fill the return address in this section, which will be used while sending tracking info from WooCommerce to Walmart. This section consists of three subsections. Product. In this part, you will need to map your WooCommerce product attributes with the Walmart attributes for product data preparation for listing new products and managing the inventory from WooCommerce to Walmart. Order. This part consists of configuration while creation of Walmart orders in WooCommerce. If you want the Walmart orders to be auto-accepted, you can enable the auto-acknowledge feature. If you want to restrict the email being sent to the customer for Walmart orders from the WooCommerce panel, enable the email restriction feature. Cron. This section is for automating the process of fetching orders from Walmart and updating product information for Walmart to WooCommerce. In this section, you need to map your WooCommerce store categories to Walmart categories. All the products in a particular WooCommerce category will be listed on Walmart in the mapped Walmart category. This section can be utilized for sending extra product information. It is also used for mapping variable product attributes in order to list a variable product to Walmart from WooCommerce. In order to map the variation attribute, edit the profile and select the variation attribute from the drop-down on the right side. Make sure to map with the attributes which have the used for variation tag after attribute name. In this section, you can perform several operations like uploading new products, updating the existing product, and updating the inventory. In order to perform one of the operations, choose the product that you want to process using the checkbox on the left side of each product. Choose the desired operation from the bulk action drop-down and click Apply. In this section, you can view the status of feeds uploaded in the product section. Click on the View Details for getting updated information of the submitted feed. In this section, you can get all the latest Walmart orders pulled in your WooCommerce store and submit the tracking info too.